Hello from me, Lazarus. I'm happy to inform you that the other day, April 12th, I managed to release my new book, thanks be to God. Here I have uploaded the main contents of the book. Here, you can see the first part is Components in Lazarus IDE, Supplement. Then the second part is more on working with databases in Lazarus IDE. And the third part is interesting programs in Lazarus IDE. And final words in the last section. Here's a little preview of all of this. So, here's the brief table of contents with only the chapter titles. And here is the foreword. And the first chapter, from which we've already gone through 2 lessons about. Color dialog and font dialog. Next ones are about the find/replace dialog. And so, until we finish. That's all I wanted to show you today, and to let you know that you can already buy the book from the contacts page on my website. The price of the book is €10 and it includes the PDF file of the book plus 43 examples with working programs. Here you go to the contact form and write to me. That's all from me in this video. Est regards.